Hello, in this video I will show you how to integrate Restrict Content Pro with Affiliate Press. Now, go to the Affiliate Press settings page. Open the Integrations tab. This is the Affiliate Press integration page. Here you can see lots of default integrations. Enable Restrict Content Pro integration and reject commission on refund, delete, fail, or abandoned payment. Disable this option for your requirement-wise. After set it option, then click to Save button. Save the changes. Now go to the Affiliates page. This is the Affiliate Press Affiliates page. Here you can see all the affiliate users for this site. Using this link, any customer visit your site. Customer open your link and then purchase your affiliate product. Now, open the Membership Levels page. This is the Restrict Content Pro Purchase Membership Register and Purchase page. Enter the basic details and select Membership Plan. Now, see Membership is purchased. Go to the Affiliate Press Commission page. This is the Affiliate Press Commission page. Here you can see all the commission-related entries. See, the first entry is Gold Membership Product entry. Go to the Affiliate User Affiliate panel. This is the Affiliate Press Affiliate panel. Now, open the Commission tab. Here, Affiliate User see the commission-related records. Affiliate User also set Disable Commission in Product-wise. Go to the Restrict Membership Levels page. This is the Restrict Content Pro Membership Levels page. Edit the existing membership level. Go to the bottom side and see the Disable Commissions option. Enable this option and stop Affiliate Press Commission.